Hello friends and followers. In today's video, we will tear down best copy of Apple Watch Series 6 called as FK88 or FK78 Pro. This is the first watch which has got nearly 50 watch faces. You guys can have a look to my unboxing video which is given in the I button. First we'll start off by tearing apart this charger. It has got 4 screws to remove. Now just by gentle prying, the back cover should be released. As you guys can see, this charger does not have any protection circuit. It's just a USB cable wire connected to the charging pins. So use correct output adapter, or else if high power is given, the watch might get damaged. That's all for the charger. Now let's get straight into teardown of this watch. Before I open this watch, I would like to show you guys one thing. From outside we can see that this watch should have a heart rate monitoring sensor, because unlike cheap watches which just has green LED light and after a few seconds the watch will show some random numbers. This watch is not showing any numbers until I keep my finger or wear it on my wrist. We'll get confirmation if this watch has actual sensor or not after opening it. Use hot air gun or any other heating element to loosen up the adhesive underneath the display. Gently use the prying tool to slice between the display and the metal body. Remember not to insert the prying tool deep inside, or else you will cut the flex cable of the display. Remove this thermal protective tape and then release all the Lego type connections. There are two screws holding up the motherboard. Once these screws are removed, the motherboard can come off. The capacity of this battery is 220 mAh, which lasts nearly for 2 days on a normal usage. This is the microphone used for calling and voice assistance. This is the speaker which is glued to the metal body. There is still one more flex cable for the rotating crown and heart rate sensor, which we'll have to remove first. Underneath the motherboard there is vibrating motor which is also glued, and once that's released, the whole arrangement can be removed from the watch. This is the DOS silicon memory chip, and the one beside it is the RAM memory chip. The cable which you are seeing is for the Bluetooth range extender. This is the MediaTek 2502 microprocessor, and this is the best and cheapest microprocessor, and it's almost used in all the Chinese smartwatches. Other than that, there are few protection chips like resistors and capacitors. I tried removing the crown button with different prying tools, but it's locked in its position, so I leave the button as it is. Now let's remove the heart rate sensor. As you guys can see, we have the optical sensor which is named as C2, and the C1 is green LED light which can pass through our skin, and the sensor can measure heart rate through a process called photoplasmography, also called as PPG. As you guys can see, the W26 watch only had green LED light without the heart rate monitoring sensor. These are all the components which makes this watch work, and all these are fitted in this small aluminum box. That's all for today's video. I hope this video was useful and you guys liked it. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.